Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Today, we are going to Long Island to show the Atlantic Ocean. In today's video, we're gonna show you some views. I hope you'll stay till the end of the video.
Hello everyone.
This is an old building that used to be a lighthouse. This is a bridge that is on the Atlantic Ocean. This is also an old building that used to be a lighthouse. During the evenings, sometimes you could see the deers. This natural beauty is truly amazing and beautiful. This is another bridge. It's extremely beautiful, and now we're going to another place. As you guys could see, that's the bridge that we just came from. Now we're at the fishing side, and as you could see, there's lots of boats that you can ride on to go fishing. As you guys could see, there's two bridges over here. From the left bridge, we went to see the Atlantic Ocean views. And from the right bridge, the one that we're on right now, is to go home. Now we're going home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did. Bye! Have a good day or night. Stay safe.